Welcome back to another Smart Money Monday. Today we're going to learn about a heartbreaking topic, people who use online dating apps and sites to scam other people out of money. To give us tips on how to avoid romance scams, we have Jeff Marshall. He is the Corporate Security Investigator at Bank of Hawaii. Jeff, thanks for coming in. So tell us a little bit about these so-called romance scams.
Right, the online romance scams in general. More and more people are going online and dating and finding people online, so we expect a lot more fraud in that sense. In 2018, the Federal Trade Commission reported losses of $140 million related to online scams, and the older you are, the more you tend to lose.
What are some warning signs?
Right. The first warning sign is obviously it starts off as it looks like a legitimate friendship and then quickly escalates into what appears to be a romance. The scammers sharing their undying love for you and showering you with compliments, and then right away they hit you with, hey, I need all this money. And they're always in some type of predicament. That's usually the same MO. Once you send me this money, I'll get out of this predicament and then we'll be together.
Yeah. I know this happens a lot, so I'm sure there are other examples. What else should we look out for?
Right. The second one that we're seeing an uptick in is when people are providing their online banking credentials to these fraudsters. Big no-no.
Yeah.
Online banking, your login and your password. And once these fraudsters have that information, they can do a lot of malfeasance on your account.
Okay, so if you start to see this and you start to feel, okay, it's a little iffy here, what do you start doing?
Right, check with family and friends. Maybe go to a website that they had success at. But if you do suspect fraud, you want to identify it and then let that dating website know.
And I know it can be kind of embarrassing for some people, and not everybody wants to report this to other people, but this is kind of a bad situation. So if you are a victim of fraud, what do you do?
It's a very underreported crime.
Yeah.
So really, you do want to let the financial institution know they are there to help you stop the bleeding and give you the next steps. And then always with a crime, you always want to follow that up with some type of police report.
Yeah, good stuff. Jeff Marshall, Bank of Hawaii, thank you.
Steve.
Appreciate your time. And thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.